Hey guys, today I'm redoing something that I should have posted a long time ago. I didn't because I kept getting interrupted throughout the video, and now I have some time to myself, hopefully. To show you guys how to do my actual original vape trick. It's called the FogField because it's like a force field made, I consider it like a force field made of vape. So I call it the FogField. It looks like this. Just from a little stream, you can get it to go all the way around, not all the way around you, but left and right and front and center. If you do it leaning back and then lean forward, it can just completely surround you. I apologize for my voice. It's really early. I tried making another video, but I think it turned out really crappy, so I might not even post it. If you want me to, you can leave a comment and I'll end up posting it just for you guys. But this is how you do the FogField. You want to take in a decent hit, and here's the mouth formation. You want to put your lips like this, and then as you blow it out, you want to smile. So it looks really weird if you do it, but the vape's going to be covering everything, so nobody's going to really see you. So it looks like this. You can see I got to the right, the left. It's really simple, but I don't think anybody's ever really given this a name. Basically what you're doing is you're doing like a kind of dragon kind of thing. Like I do a certain version of the dragon where I smile, like kind of like that. But if you combine it with opening and closing the smile, I found that it kind of covers more. So if you really want to do it, what you can do is it looks great. I'm gonna do like an upper view so you guys can see what I'm doing with my mouth. And it turns out really good. You can also do it in reverse if you want to. I recommend leaning back and doing it straight forward, though. See, it looks really cool because no matter where you... Well, sometimes it's off to the left, it's a little bit different for me. If you look off to your right and everything, you can see nothing but a little bit of little tiny mists. And I always thought that was kind of cool. Well, that was a horrible example because I did it upwards, but this should be falling down soon. But yeah, it's really nice to do. It's not really much of a complicated vape trick. I just think it's kind of cool, so I decided to make this video. So the last time I tried to do this, I had like 4 or 5 different interruptions throughout that video. And this one I'm going to put my new intro in. It's the same old intro, but it's got a different sound to it, and I hope you guys really enjoy it. Hope you guys can figure out what the song is. If you do, leave that in the comments. Don't use any program or anything to try to figure out what song it is. Just if you know what song that is. It's an 8-bit version of a song, I'll let you know that. If you figure it out, leave a comment about it, and might even give you a discount on my Fiverr. If you comment the right song, what I want you to do is I want you to message me on my Fiverr. That should be really easy to find. I mean, yeah, I'll put a link in the description and everything. If you guys figure out what song that is, or already know what song that is, then I'll give you a little bit of a discount on my services. But I'm offering a new one, by the way. It's a weird job, but someone's gotta do it. I'm writing diss raps about people. So you tell me something about people that you don't like, and then I'll write a diss rap about them. It could be something for you to rap to them, or it could just be something for you to get your anger out in a rap kind of way. But one last time. See, now you got vape almost everywhere. Okay guys, that's it for this short video. Hope you guys all enjoy it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Have an awesome day. That was a little bit too much. Okay, let's be honest here. That was a little bit too cheery. It's early in the morning. I'm not that cheery. But anyways, have a great day, guys.